Welcome back to UCAN2 RV. Today we're going to talk about what it takes to tow a vehicle. In our case, we're towing our 2018 Jeep JK Unlimited, and we're using Roadmaster gear to do that. So I'm going to have to kneel down on the floor here and show you what we're using. Well, one of the more important parts is the actual tow bar. I use a Roadmaster Falcon all-terrain non-binding tow bar. This model has 6,000 pounds towing capacity. Our Jeep weighs about 5,000 pounds, so that's plenty of capacity for us. Also use coiled cables. Even though this bar is designed so that you can tuck straight cables in the edge, I still like the look of coiled cables and the convenience of hooking them up. I got an upgraded pair that, rather than having these carabiner type things on each end, has got clips on each end, which lets me hook it up faster. I've got my light cable and I've got my air line because I use the, so I put the air line inside of the light cable with a zip tie, and that makes it go together faster. I mentioned my brakes. Here's my Roadmaster BrakeMaster cylinder. Now, the way this works, these pins go into the base plate that's mounted on the Jeep and twist and lock. Blue Ox does something similar, and it's sturdy. The bar swings out and connects to here. Now, I've upgraded these pins. It came with something like this, but with this red handle, it gives me just a little bit more leverage to really help hooking and unhooking. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to hook this up. First, we release the tow bar, drop it down. Then we want to put in both pins. All right, pins through, keeper pin in place. Do the same on the other side. This keeper pin's in place. All right, so now we've got the vehicle hooked up. Now we need to do our safety cables. There's one on each side. This attaches down here to the base plate. All right, the home stretch here. Now we've got to hook up the light cord and the air line. Light cord's in. Air line. Airline's in. Plugged into the Jeep. Last but not least, the release cable, breakaway cable, in case I come unhooked here. Then we're done. The last thing I've got to do is hook up the brake cylinder inside of the Jeep. But I've already got another video out on that. I'll put a link to that below. All right, today we're filming inside of the warehouse because we're still marooned. Between the pandemic and road construction, we've been stranded inside. We're trying to bring you some content that will maybe benefit you when we all get out of this mess. Thanks for joining us. I hope you find this video useful. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. And thank you for all your support, and we'll see you next time. So